In this video, I will outline how players from any rank can reach Diamond or even progress further. It's crucial to watch until the end, as combining all this knowledge is essential for your improvements. Okay, let's start. Aim. For improving your aim in Valorant, focus on developing two crucial aspects: crosshair placement at headshot level, reaction time, which means avoiding keeping it too close to the wall to give yourself enough time to react, and crosshair stabilization. To enhance these skills, try the following exercises. Jump into a custom, select Ascent, and enable cheats. Once you're in, perform a 180 turn while maintaining a stable crosshair. You can also practice the exercise in the shooting range. Now, head to B lobby in Ascent. You'll notice this box. Aim just slightly below its edge. This is the headshot level. Many identical boxes exist in the game, allowing you to practice and adjust your crosshair placement for perfect headshot level aiming. Doing a lot of deathmatch where you practice these concepts will help them feel natural without any conscious effort after a while. Movement. Movement is essential in Valorant, especially when you miss your shots. Ensuring you don't get instantly eliminated is crucial. Similar to boxing, strafing and shooting become like muscular memory over time. Here's how you can develop this skill. First, enable the grab shoot error option found in video, stats, the last option called as shooting error, and select graph only for easy reading. Blue indicates you're still moving, while orange signifies effective strafing. In the practice range, start by shooting at a pillar. Focus on developing muscular memory while being precise and consistent. Speed will improve with practice. Progress to eliminating bots while strafing. As you become more proficient, practice and gather feedback in deathmatch. Remember, if you find yourself consistently dying too quickly, it means there's still room for improvements. Positioning. In my 3-year experience as a coach, I've noticed that players tend to die unnecessarily quite often, sometimes even more than 30% of the time. Developing better positioning involves several factors, but to keep it concise, start by creating the habit of checking your minimap more frequently. Whenever you die without many chances of fighting back, leap around and analyze it using the minimap. By doing this, you'll identify patterns, making it easier to recognize them when you are in-game. Having a solution for these patterns will become clearer. Don't worry about finding the best solution every time. Any improvement is progress, and better answers will come with time. Before we jump into the last subjects, you might have observed that many of the tips provided require you to break out of autopilot mode. This means adopting a fresh perspective on the game and letting go of the habits that have kept you stuck. We'll be releasing a video next weekend with simple tips on how you can achieve this on your own. Personally, using this approach, I reached Radiant rank within just 2.5 months, after not playing any games for around 5 years. Additionally, you're welcome to join our Discord community, where we will be conducting free Q&A sessions on a weekly basis. Utility. More than 95% of the kills are made with weapons. Rarely does utility directly result in kills. While some abilities can secure kills, the majority are used to gain advantage in duels, gather information, control areas, block enemies from gaining map control, isolate opponents, and so on. It's important to recognize that most of the time, you still need to rely on shooting yet. Using your utility effectively goes beyond spamming it randomly. Many players excel with agents who have fewer abilities, like Reyna or Chamber. However, when playing agents with more utility, like Skye or Omen, players often misuse abilities and get caught frequently. If you find yourself dying without gaining any advantage from the ability you used, take the time to analyze it, clip your gameplay, review it, and work on developing better strategies. Communication. In Valorant, due to the game's statical nature, providing fast and precise information is a requirement for playing the game effectively. Knowing the common map callouts is essential. You can check MentorDIFF.gg and download them for free, link in the description. Other communication tips include informing teammates when an enemy is low on health, calling out rotations or your position, specifying enemy locations, mentioning the name of the agent when requesting a drop, and so on. Effective communication involves being clear, concise, and proactive. Saying things before rather than after is crucial. When dealing with teammates, instead of questioning their decisions outright, try discussing your strategy with them. Different players have different perspectives, and there are no wrong ideas, only different viewpoints. It's crucial to explain rather than complain, ensuring both players are on the same page.